Hi everyone, my name is Stephanie Locke and this is my introduction video. A little bit about me. I graduated from Paola High School in Paola, Kansas in 2008. I attended Fort Scott Community College on a meat judging scholarship, so I know quite a bit about meat, probably more than any normal person does. I graduated from Kansas State University in 2013. I have been teaching agriculture education for what will be going on 7 years this fall. I have a 4-year-old son named Henry, who you can see here. One kind of interesting thing about me, I love public speaking. This past year in May, I gave the graduation address, and even the year before that, I gave the 8th grade promotion address at my school, and so that was a lot of fun. I teach at Wilson Junior Senior High School. It's a very small 1A school, and as the ag teacher, I teach classes like animal science, food science, intro to ag, exploratory ag, plant and animal, vet science, welding, and ag mechanics. On top of being the ag teacher, I am also the FFA advisor. And one exciting thing that happened, I had my first student be elected to a state office this past May, which he's pictured here. And then these two pictures, we started a hydroponics growing unit in my office in my classroom. So I don't really have my office anymore, but we are growing lettuce, and our lettuce that we grow actually goes into our school food program for school lunches. And so that's been quite the adventure this past year. My professional goals, short term, I want to increase more inquiry-based lessons in my courses. I have been working on this past year. The summer before, I went to a inquiry-based learning professional development over the summer. Absolutely loved it. I love teaching with inquiry, so I'm trying to increase more of it and work it into my courses. Another goal, I want to finish Fort Hays. I know that sounds kind of silly, but I'm literally just have 1 year left, and then I will have my master's program completed, so I'm excited about that. Long-term goals, I have a lot of goals in relation to being an ag teacher and an FFA advisor. And so my first long-term goal, I want to have a state-winning CDE team for FFA. CDE stands for Career Development Events, so like the different judgings that we do. I want to have a state-winning team and take them to nationals. Another big award in FFA is the Triple Crown. It's not the horse race, but it's similar to that. There are 3 sections of it, and so I would like to have a Triple Crown winning chapter. And then I think once I have accomplished what I want to accomplish as an FFA advisor, I either want to become a building leader, so principal, assistant principal, or a CTE coordinator. I think either one of those would really fit me. Finally, what I want to learn in this course, I want to increase my understanding for evaluating curriculum. I don't necessarily always think I do the best job. And as an ag teacher, the only curriculum I've really evaluated is my own, and the curriculum I've created is my own. And so I want to be able to evaluate curriculum that I didn't write. And maybe not necessarily just an ag teacher, but I don't know, social studies, math, even probably kindergarten, because my experience is on a secondary level, not the elementary. So that's one big thing that I am worried about being a building leader is, can I do the elementary stuff? Because I don't know if I can. Thank you for watching. That's my video. I look forward to learning more from everyone in this course.